as you walked in the door. You know you're really Venus flytrap, and you had me begging you for more. You know I love the way your clothes fit you. Can't find nothing wrong with you. Ain't nobody keeping up with you. Get your freak out on the floor. Give me some of that sugar, that'll make it sweet. Give me some of that good old-fashioned stuff. Knock me on my feet. You know I love it when you slide with me. Now we really got the beat. Come on down, make it sweet.
To my best friend, finally getting to call you my wife is something I have been looking forward to for a long time. Every day you show me just how much of a caring and compassionate person you are. You always ask me what my favorite thing about you is, and I never give you an answer. The reason I never give you an answer is because there isn't one thing I like the most about you. What makes you so special is just how many things about you make me smile. You are loving, caring, and even pretty funny sometimes. Getting to raise our fur baby Charlie with you has been the most amazing experience. For the past 10 years, I have continued to love you more and more each day. I couldn't imagine going through life with anyone else by my side. I love you today and forever, babesy. What's yours is mine now. We're married.
Scott, I really can't believe this day has finally come. I'm so excited to be your wife. These past 10 years, I have loved watching our relationship grow and get better every single day. I love that you can always make me laugh. I love how thoughtful you are. And most of all, I love how you always put Charlie and I first. You are my rock, my best friend, and now you are my family.
The way your body moves when you dance, it's like an ocean wave. It's got me in a magnetic trance that I can't escape. Even when I close my eyes, I feel you breathe next to me. It's everything. I see you. You're a galaxy of stars beating on my heart. You're a lighthouse on the sea. Every note a symphony. You're the rising of the sky, bringing colors back to life. I see you. You'll never go unnoticed, 'cause you got my eyes in focus. If there's anything you know, I hope you know this.
Alex is a wonderful person, and we could not be more proud that she is now officially part of the family. Alex is a thoughtful, caring, intelligent, hardworking, well-spoken, and most of all, a beautiful young woman.
We are over the moon excited that Alexandra and Scott are finally together. We love Scott. Gros comme le ciel. Translation, as big as the sky.
So we're really proud of Scott and his many accomplishments and trust he will be a great husband for Alex.
You've always shown such great dedication, companionship, and love toward one another. And at the same time, you're both very independent and competent in being your own person.
We're all better people for knowing you. And I can say that a room with the two of you is always a room that I want to be in.
I will love you forever. I'll like you for always. As long as I'm living, my baby you'll be.
We wish them nothing but the best in their married life. And we are thrilled that Alex and Scott have decided to spend their life together finally married.
May the happiness that you share this very moment be with you always, and may every word you have pledged here be a living truth in your lives. You've expressed your love to one another through the commitments and promises that you've just made, and it is with these in mind, and by the powers vested in me in the province of Ontario, that I now pronounce you husband and wife.